Hi guys, so today, brown out. Naggagawa lang ako ng kung ano-ano. Gonna try my best to finish this book kasi I think may 100 pages pa ako roughly. Pero ayun, catch up ko lang kayo. I mean, napapanood nyo naman yung vlog. Ay, napapanood yung vlog. Pero lately nga, I've been trying to live an offline-ish life. Lalo na, I mean, priority ko sa IG. Pero, hindi naman ako totally offline na lahat na ng SOCMED is, wala akong online presence, ganyan. Parang, dinidecrease ko lang siya ngayong bakasyon. Kasi feeling ko pag nagpasok ka na ulit, syempre, mabubuhay na ulit yun. Pero, so far, it's actually very peaceful. Yun talaga ang masasabi ko. Ang peaceful lang niya and parang nakakalasa ng hindi ko alam, hindi ko ma-explain. Pero hindi naman ako sumali ngayon ng org kasi ang dami kong subjects. Ayun lang guys. Hopefully ma-survive natin to. Baka itulog ko na lang to sa tanghali. Mukha tayong nasa gubat. Hi guys, I just washed my hair and I'm plucking it. Kita mo yung mga ringlets niya. Nabakat. Anyways, ganito ako hanggang mag 4. I'm currently watching Loki. And like yun nga, nare-rewatch ko. Natapos ko na yung Falcon and the Winter Soldier. So, Loki naman. After season 1 ito, we're gonna go to Black Widow's movie. Yeah, Black Widow What If. And then, yung Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. Actually, yung Ten Rings na yun, that's a really good-ass movie. I really enjoyed it. Hi guys. Nay. Yeah! Hi guys. Di tatay.
Check, test 1K, please.
Bumalik na siya. Bumili lang pala. Kung siya pala. So, din guys. Yun.
Chismoso. Alatahan naman sunod-sunod na sasakyan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ay talagang, wala akong kalam-malam dito. Sabi ko sa anak ko, doon tayo kumain doon sa turo-turo. Ay magbubulalo daw. Kamali wala na. Pakakainin daw. Nito, ikin. Sagot ng dalawa?
Wala kami alam. Minessage lang kami.
Nandita lang.
si Lolo guys, natatawa na ako.
Sa piling mo ang buhay, sa piling mo ay di ako nag-isa. Ang langit ay abot kamay, kapag sa piling ka, sinta. Kumanta na ako eh. Kumanta na ako iniintindi yan. Kumanta na ako. Ang ganda na kanta ko.
Oh my god guys, so nag-big night. I don't watch PBB, but Chares. Hindi din ako marunong ga. Okay na.
Lahat?
Oo, yun lang. Yes, let's finish the last 13 minutes of, and the breadwinner is Aileen. Magkamalayag lang.
Kami nagkamera lang ng ganyan nag-shoot.
Sorry guys, kailangan natin mag-mic kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Kita ba? First thing, I got this red skirt. It's a sweater. Black sweater. As if I don't have enough. Next is I got super bougie na blue na top. Like, ang cute niya. A dress.
Nilalaro ko sa ng bata ako, pero hindi kasi ako marunong maglaro ng games before. So, hindi talaga ako strategic, gano'n yan. Wow!
Sumimba ako guys. So, wala. Hindi ako aambag dito. Ang ambag ko ay prayers.
You're so tiny and little.
Okay, so hi guys. Wala akong magawa. And I recently downloaded itong My Little Pony game ulit. And oh my god, I freaking miss it. Look at it. Ang dami ko na nagawa. I downloaded this yesterday. Like kagabi lang. And this is my Ponyville. I freaking did not realize na I had so much worlds. Like, akala ko Ponyville lang yung meron. Pero like, pwede ka din pala magtayo ng iba pang mga bahay kung saan-saan. Oh my god, I look so ridiculous. Anyways, I want to try a different angle. Y'all saw kanina, diba, na I woke up ng 5:30, diba? And I was like, ang lamig. Higa nga ulit ako. It's 8:10. Pero valid naman yung pagtulog ko kasi I fell asleep na nung past 12 kanina because I was making something for my friends. And every time kasi na I get a task, I feel like a surge of energy running through me to really finish it. I think I'm gonna see you later when I'm already dressed and probably film some behind the scenes of the podcast. I still don't know what I'm gonna name the podcast, honestly, so I have some options. The names I've been thinking are Enlighten and then why not? Because like that's really just the vibe of my channel. Like and then Essentials because like it's conversations and I'm planning to podcast some topics that I think are relevant to talk about or are timely. That is all, guys. See you later.
Basta may pagkain, okay lang.
Masaya naman siya, guys. Pero sabi ni Ira, si Ira kasi may favorite nito. Mas maanghang daw with may garlic.
Eh,
So we will see kung kaya ko siya. Kailangan ko makasubo ng isa. Para may... Paano niyo ba ginaganon? Like, pinapaliit yung ano...
ayan.
Like, di ba, ganto-ganto lang siya. O paano niyo ginaganon?
Alam mo yung paminta?
Pepper?
Buyas, naro, sa sisig. Pawis na nga ako sa Jack Daniels pa lang.
Hindi naman yung maanghang.
Yun nga eh, di ba? Kaya hindi ako maano sa manghang. Gusto nila ako kunin yung ninong. Baka magkasakit na bigla, siya pa masisi kasi siya yung pumunta.
What?
Wala akong water. Lumakas pa ulan. Eh, hindi ka pa ubos. Ubusin mo muna para isang tubigan na.
Sayang. Ah, Gcash mo.
Tara.
Ah, Ted, please.
Ano ng tubig? Kaya
Ito. Ah. Thank you, Ted. Nanginginig na pati eyeballs ko lang. Tinatawanan pa ako. Ah, nakagaling.
Nauso? Eh.
Oh?
Oo. Ay, alam nga.
Ang eyeballs mo parang luluwa na
Oo.
din.
Nakikita ko na.
Legit ba?
Good job.
Oh my god, ang tagal ko hindi nag-video. 15, 16. Yeah, it's 17. It's just 17. And I'm currently finishing up this story book already. And oh my god, nung una, akala ko hindi ko siya magugustuhan. Kasi medyo hindi ko nabetan yung ano nito, prequel book, yung Love at First Read. Like, medyo binibilisan ko yung pace sa pagbabasa. But when I finished the first book of this, oh my god, I got invested and ang bilis ko nang basahin yung mga following books and I'm on the last one. I actually wanna know if merong mga second parts to mga spin-offs kasi the main character here, which is Kudos, I also, oh my god, it's so hard to find books in the POV of the guy and this entire thing, I mean, most of it is the POV ng mga guy. Anyways, that's all, guys. Okay, guys. I'm currently editing the podcast video. And ito yung ano na so far. Gusto ko i-try ko. Tapos dito ko ilalagay yung title ng podcast. Like a very funky audio to it. Tapos I will leave the rest of the video as is. Okay, I edited the thumbnail for Pasko 2024. Ang cute niya. Hi guys, for some reason, natutuwa ako sa mga kagamitan ko sa photography. So, we're gonna see if this still works. Oh shit! Liwanag! Parang gusto ko mag cinematic shots, pero wala naman ako yun. Hindi medyohan dito.
Kasi mas madali na.
Support the fan. Nag-grind yung friend natin, so dapat mag-grind. Bakit may add to? What the fuck? We're gonna read the 5th book of the month, which is Reminders of Him by Colleen Hoover. Ira has gifted this to me noong 18th birthday ko, and I'm freaking 20 na. So, 2 years. Sensya natin. Guys, Diyos ko. Sasali na naman tayo ng org. Oh my God. Tama naman siguro. Wala din akong choice. Kundi gawin na lang ito. Pipitik lang naman tayo. Nag-reply na si Prince. Anong sabi niya? Hi guys. My dad bought this kopya na Yema flavor. Got it. I just read the chapter that broke my heart. Chapter 20 sa Paul Ledger. Si Kenna and si Scotty, jowa, they were in a relationship. And then si Kenna, she got pregnant. Too sure yet kasi wala pa akong kalahati ng book. For malaman atang si Kenna and Scotty got into a car accident and Scotty died. And the parents of Scotty blamed Kenna for everything. Like, Kenna was drunk, but she was the one driving. And the car crashed and flipped and crashed. But Kenna got out and walked home and slept while Scotty was like his legs were like paralyzed and broken. And he had to crawl all the way to Kenna, but he couldn't make it. And he died on the road crawling for Kenna and me. So Kenna then, fast forward to when the case was ongoing, Kenna was sentenced to prison for 5 years, but she was pregnant during that time. And then Kenna was supposed to have at least 2 days with her baby after giving birth to it. But the baby was born prematurely, and they had to take her to Anit and take care of her and everything. Kenna spent 2 days in the hospital alone, went back to prison agad-agad. Fast forward 5 years, she's released and everything. So she went back to the city or state where her daughter was being raised by Scotty's parents. Scotty's best friend, Ledger, owns a bar, and then padaan si Kenna. The first night she moved there and everything, ganyan. Then, they got to know each other na lang. Ledger na ito yung girlfriend na pakamatay yung best friend niya for it. Tinatago nila yung anak ni Kenna sa kanya because like, syempre, nandun sa parents ni Scotty kasi like, seeing her, like, oh my God, this is the girl that took our son away from us, ganyan. Fear din nila na kunin ni Kenna. Tapos ayun, tapos yung nangyari sa chapter na to broke me because Kenna was trying her best, everything. She was so determined to just do things to get her life back together, get the chance to see her daughter. Tapos yung si Grace yung mom ni Scotty, si Lola, oh my God, hindi niya alam na sa grocery store na to nagtatrabaho si Kenna. So dala anak ni Kenna, tapos mag-grocery shopping. Tapos nakita sila ni Ledger, tapos sinabi nila, wag kayo mag-grocery dito ngayon kasi nandito si Kenna nagtatrabaho and everything. So get away, leave. Tapos nakita na ni Kenna sa parts, medyo may audition glimpse dun sa anak. She bolted from her position and ran towards Grace and everything. Pero nakaalis yung coach siya, tapos si Ledger niyakap para hindi siya makasunod. Tapos in-explain na niya experience niya, just hindi naman daw siya nag-expect na magiging deserving siya na parental figure sa anak niya or anything. Oh, she really was just to see her daughter. She's super grateful ng parents ni Scotty and everything. She just wanted to see her daughter kasi she never got to see her. She just wanted to see the person, the baby, the life that her and Scotty made. For some reason, when I read books kasi, I skimmed through it. Pero this book make me want to read every single word. Super good. I highly recommend. Ayun naman guys, I'm hoping for a happy ending for Kenna. And a closure for her and Scotty kasi may diary si Kenna. He always writes to Scotty about mga naging experience niya after Scotty died. Alam. Gee, I miss my little phone. Ito na yung favorite song ko guys. Yung cafeteria song. Okay, I have good news for myself. I finally finished every book on the shelf. Like, wala nang nakabaliktad. Lahat na sila kita yun. Now, last few books, yung 3 yan na nasa lamesa. Yes, we can do this. Nandini na kami, Day. Yes! Guys, ayun siya. Hindi niya siya makikita, pero i-zoom ko na lang dito. Ayun siya.
Wala nang araw na hindi ka nag-aaral.
Kalma, yun lakit mo, te.
Hindi na akong pencil.
Uy, may karne akong pencil case yung grade 12.
Calcio, ano ba?
Ano, na-miss ko to. Hindi na ako marunong.
Hindi na ako pag-aaral. Hindi na ako marunong.
Ang bilis ko kayo dati mag...
Epekto na ano, epekto. Baka mag-lesson kami bukas kasi alam mo yung...
Hindi na ako marunong, guys.
Naarali ko 79 pages, tapos yung isa.
It's an alias bag.
Huwag mo ilabas ko kasi may mga sensitive stuff.
Bumili ka pa.
Hindi galing yun sa hotel. Inuwi ko. Ikaw pala ito, baka kakalculate na service charge. Paano?
Dito natin para makikita yung...
Ito bang ang gulo? Pag ito? Slan pa?
Hindi yung upuan niya.
Ito, ganito. Yan. Eh, di siya kita. Kita mo siya. Okay. Nang hindi naka-in. Wow, ganda ng hair ko. Panis. May bakit bukas? Pwede ka mali. Hindi, sabi mo na lang
Hindi, okay lang yan, Day. You got the food, yo. You got the food. At ang ganda ng background din eh.
Kaya taga ako din.
Ako tinaway yan.
Ako, 360 yan, boy. Ang ganda ng ba? Okay na 360 ka ba?
Wait lang, kananiwala. Mukha namang matino ah. Eh, mukha namang ganito ah.
Parehas hirap paggawa niya.
Huh?
Ang hirap ko. Ginaya ko yan sa ano, parang mga Indiano. Indian na luto. Kasi yung dito sa atin, walang mga nakalagay, walang mga... Eh kasi nakalimutan ni Nanay ilabas.
Hi guys, I haven't filmed in a while because the sun hasn't shown up in a while as well. Super init naman ngayon. I'm gonna edit the podcast video ng episode 2. I'm actually a bit scared on how I'm gonna edit that kasi it's 2 hours. 2 hours. Maximum ko na kasi sa podcast 1 hour. Bro, ang dami kasi namin sinabi. Ang dami namin sinabi doon. And kaya din siya mahaba. Kasi ano kami, ang in-expect ko lang, ang una ko talagang inisip si Aliyah muna siya. Ang hirap kasi mag-edit ng madaming audio. Tapos pagtutugma-tugma mo pa sila. Kasi yung sa first episode kong inedit, medyo nag-e-echo yung boses namin ni Ted. Eh, yun na yung pinaka-best ko siyang kayang gawin. Kasi unting adjust ko mamaya, hindi na siya swak sa bibig namin. So, we're gonna do a haul of the stuff I ordered. Kunti lang naman sila. Tingnan ko ito yung mga ballpen lang. From Delhi. I love Delhi so much. Ito ata yung mga refill. May papel lang ulit tayo. Yellow pad. Whiteboard marker. Ang ating ballpen. I miss dorm dinner. Dorm dinner. Dorm dinner.
She's an evil enchantress and she does evil dances. And if you look deep in her eyes, she will put you in trances.
I miss Doctor Stone so much. Hindi ko alam na nag-air na ulit sila ng episodes. Shit, ang pogi ni Cinco. Yan, nabili na siya. Ang astig. Ooh. Guti. Uy! Ay! Kaya yan. Ay! Wait lang, te. Wait lang, te. Wait lang, te. Yes!
Wala na! Grabe yung matcha at 7,700
What's trending? Yeah, you're all sad. That makes me sad. Please, shut
Walang makikita ang babae. Ano na, te? Ito na siya, guys.
Natatawa ko na tayo na siya.
Kaya nga.
Uy, Kevin, ano nang ginagawa mo? Hindi ba napindot?
darating. Pero dumating na siya. Ang galing. Yes, Book 5. Book 5. Ay, what? Book 2. May libre. What? May libreng libro. Pero wala na tayong space sa ating book. Guys, clean our fridge with me. Oh my gosh. Ay, feel me. Oh my god, how do you remove this? Okay, we're out. I need to spoil one. Okay, we just have to organize these into there. And then we're done. Your progress check. That was close.